Imagine waking up to a world paralyzed by snow and chaos. The Great Blizzard of 1888, one of the most severe storms in U.S. history, buried the Northeast under 20 to 60 inches of snow. This colossal storm, which struck in March, caught citizens off guard and brought bustling cities like New York to a standstill. With winds howling at 45 miles per hour, snowdrifts towered as high as 50 feet in some places, swallowing entire buildings and streets. This natural disaster exposed the vulnerabilities of urban infrastructure and emergency response strategies of the time. Public transportation was crippled, with trains and trolleys immobilized, leaving thousands stranded without food or shelter. Communication lines were severed, isolating communities and exacerbating the crisis. The storm's aftermath prompted a profound reevaluation of urban planning. Cities began to bury electric lines underground, a practice that continues today to protect against severe weather. It also spurred the development of more efficient emergency services, highlighting the need for quicker, more coordinated responses to disasters. The Great Blizzard of 1888, though devastating, ultimately paved the way for innovations that would forever change urban landscapes and emergency preparedness.